Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado breakfast step by step. Start by having a ripe avocado, removing the pit, and scooping the flesh into a bowl for mashing. Toast bread while you add lime, salt, pepper, and a splash of olive oil to the avocado. Spread the mash on warm toast, top with a cooked egg or extras, and serve immediately for the best texture and taste. Use ripe avocado, salt, pepper, and acid to balance flavors. Start by halving and removing the pit, then scoop into a bowl and add lime juice to prevent browning and brighten taste. Mash to preferred texture, chunkier for rustic toast or smooth for spreadable creaminess. Stir in chopped cilantro, sliced scallion, or a dash of cumin for complexity. Taste and adjust seasoning before assembling the breakfast. Serve immediately for the best flavor and texture. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy simple food ideas, subscribe and like to support the channel and see more easy breakfasts. Also, check out this fun Read Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs surprisingly well with mindful budgeting tips for meal planning. Look in the description for the link and other deals. Thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Eggs add protein and texture, and cook quickly while toast is warm. For poached eggs, simmer water with a splash of vinegar and create a gentle whirlpool before sliding the egg in, cooking 3 minutes for a runny yolk. For fried eggs, heat a teaspoon of oil and cook until whites set but yolks stay soft, about 2 to 3 minutes. Season eggs lightly and place on avocado toast and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.